welcome back to my channel. This is IBK. Welcome back, guys. Today I will be showing you how I'm going to prepare my garden egg. I'm going to show you how I normally prepare my garden egg. So I have my fish here. I have cherry fish. I have my garden eggs. I'm going to be using these garden eggs to prepare my garden eggs sauce. So I'll be using onions, 1 big onions. I'll be using green pepper. I'll be using fresh pepper. So guys, that is it for now. Also, because we are going to use yam, we're going to be boiling our yam. I'm just going to put it in the fire so it can boil. Another way, if you are the type that likes sweet yam and you want your yam to be sweet, you can actually add a little sugar to your yam. And then you go ahead and add your salt also. So you just mix it. We're going to be using our olive oil to make our garden egg sauce. We're going to be using our olive oil, guys. Just want to have oil. So that's it. We'll leave the oil to hot. We're going to leave the oil to hot. So guys, we have it prepared already. We have our garden egg. We have our fish here, onions, green pepper, red pepper, and spinach. So we're just going ahead to fry our fish. We're just frying our fish. We're just going to boil our garden egg a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit, not a lot. We're boiling it a little bit. I'm going to leave it on fire for like 10 minutes. So we're going to be frying our onions and everything inside. Fry our onions pepper together. So you just stir it, very well together, and now we'll be adding our garden eggs. You stir it together, you stir it so that it won't get burned. It soon gets burned, guys. You just stir it. Stir it together. Stir it together. add my spinach. So add my spinach. So just stir it together. Now add half of my non-Maggi, adding the half. Salt. So you just stir it together. Stir it very well so it won't get warm. You can see how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. You can see that. How beautiful. Just stir it very well. Stir it very well, continue stirring it. So what we just do now, we leave it to done for like 10 minutes. We'll leave it to done, but we're still going to be stirring it. So guys, we just stir it together. When you stir it together, you stir it together very well. And continue stirring it together. You can see how beautiful it looks. Stir it together. So guys, that is it. This is our guiding eggs and yam. This is it guys, this is it. It looks lovely. You can see that our guiding eggs and yam, our guiding egg sauce and yam. You can see how it look guys. So if you like my video, if you see this video interesting, please leave your comments, like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Show me some love and let's grow together. If you really love this video, you need to give a try. You need to give a try. Go and make it the way I just make it, and you're going to love it because it's really delicious. It's delicious and it's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.